Okay, I was just trying to get a little bit of laundry sorted out, but that's sometimes when the best ideas happen. And I was listening to Cian Ducrot's song, The Book of Love, and there's that chorus, Darling, don't be so sad. Let me know if you've heard it. Anyways, so this chorus is so strangely both hauntingly beautiful and comforting at the same time. And I thought, why does it sound so familiar, even though it's beautifully done? It's got a beautiful vocal range, and I think I just figured out why.
Now, I did suddenly think that why my ears might be drawn to it is it does also have a progression that's familiar. So, can you hear a bit of Pachelbel's canon here? Listen in. Darling, don't be so sad. He's never gonna love you like that. And London's calling your name. Let me make you tea, we'll walk through the rain. So we actually have the Pachelbel's bass line here, but in some new, fresh ways. So here we go. The melody starts here, and you'll be following these chords, and it goes, so darling,